Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Cloud Computing Week 7, Assignment 7. So the first question is, which of the following is a major challenge in mobile cloud computing? So these are the options, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, mobile cloud computing network latency can lead to execution delay. So the answer of our first question is C. Now let's go to our second question. When MCC enables a user to access mobile apps and data from anywhere, it reflects which cloud characteristics. So these are the option: elasticity, location independence, on-demand self-service, resource pooling. So let's check the answer of our second question. So second question, mobile users with data and service in the clouds then are always almost available even when the users are moving. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is, in dynamic routine offloading, the decision of whether to execute a task locally or in the cloud depends primarily on. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, dynamic application profiling and solver on SMD runtime application partitioning, migration of intensive components, continuous synchronization for the entire duration of runtime execution platform. So the answer of our third question is B. Now let's go to our question number 4. The main purpose of a cloudlet in mobile cloud computing is to. So these are the options. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question 4. Goal is to reduce the latency in reaching the cloud servers, use servers that are closer to the mobile devices. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Now let's go to our fifth question. Which of the following is a major security concern in mobile cloud computing? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, protecting user privacy and data application secrecy from adversaries is key to stabilize and maintain consumers' trust in the mobile platform, especially in MCC. So the answer of our fifth question is B. Now let's go to our sixth question. Which of the following is a key advantage of fog computing over cloud computing? So these are the options. And let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, fog computing, processing close to devices, lower response time, enabling real-time applications. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now the seventh question is, in fog computing, data is usually processed at. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, fog computing. Fog computing, also known as fogging edge computing, it is model in which data processing and applications are concentrated in devices at the network edge rather than existing almost entirely in the cloud. So the answer of our seventh question is D. Now the eighth question is statement first. Geospatial cloud computing enables large-scale spatial data analysis by leveraging distributed computing resources. Statement second. Traditional desktop GIS system alone are sufficient to handle petabyte scale remote sensing data efficiency. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is C. Statement first is true, but statement second is false. Now let's go to our ninth question. In geospatial cloud computing, the biggest challenge when processing satellite imagery and spatial big data is. So these are the options, and the answer of our ninth question is B. Now let's go to our tenth question. In an IoT enabled smart healthcare system, which combination is most critical to ensure real time patient monitoring with minimal delay? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10th, fog computing, processing close to devices, lowers response time, enabling real time application. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.